Welcome to another exciting school year at Canterlot High.
As you settle into your new classes, please make sure everything's in order.
Everything's not in order. Where's Pinkie Pie?
Isn't Rarity in this class?
But I thought Sunset Shimmer was in advanced physics with me.
This is regular physics, dude.
What?
All final schedule changes must be made by the end of the day.
I don't know what's going on.
I was supposed to be in woodshop with Pinkie Pie, not frou-frou painting time with nobody.
I only signed up for drama to be with Rarity, but she wasn't there, which was very dramatic, but for all the wrong reasons.
Don't worry, I'll sort it out.
Oh, okay, you.
Yes, all right.
This is the strangest math class I've ever been in.
That's because it's woodshop.
Sunset should be in here. Pinkie Pie, have you seen Sunset? Wait, I didn't know you were taking advanced physics.
Advanced physics? Thank goodness! I thought they had ruined PE. Rainbow Dash, I'm on my way! Don't you sneeze without me!
This year's schedule's all wrong.
Girls, I think I can arrange for you all to have one class period together, but this is the final change, okay?
Yeah. Thank you!
Well, she wasn't lying. Lunch technically is a class period.
Best class to have together ever!
Sure is.
Has anyone seen Sunset?
I think I'm supposed to have lunch this period.